I'm Cara. I'm the maintenance technician here at the Oxford University Museum of Natural History. At school, I didn't really know what I wanted to do, and to be honest, I'm still not completely sure. But I went to university and studied fine art and publishing media, where I realised I could design and make things to practically solve problems and create spaces to tell stories. During my time at uni, I did some volunteering at festivals, building and designing stages and decor. And that experience made me decide that I wanted to do a 2-year apprenticeship in site carpentry. I did a few years working in construction and then a few years working at events and festivals, and now I'm here. The type of person who might quite like my job is someone with an artistic eye, someone who likes creative problem solving, and someone who likes to feel like they're working on something that has a lot of history behind it and that their work is going to be around for many years to come. The thing I like best about my job is the variety of work. There's always something to make or mend or move, and I've learned so much about the contribution of some really amazing female scientists. The thing I like least is how often people seem to think that I can't do my job because I'm a woman. But the most extraordinary thing I've done since working here is designing and making some travel crates to safely rehouse a collection of over 1 million British insect species as part of a project called Hope for the Future. It was really rewarding to think that my work and effort has gone into protecting a collection that is being used to better understand the climate and biodiversity crisis.